today's video. Today's going to be a little bit different. I figured I would bring you guys along while my daughter does her lesson 95 of the Good and the Beautiful curriculum. It's language arts, and I love this curriculum because it has a little bit of everything, of like baking, geography, art, everything. So today we'll be making what?
French yogurt cake.
And what do they call this in France?
Granny cake.
What do they call it, granny cake?
Because in France the grandmas make the cake with their grandchildren.
Yeah, so I'm not a grandma, but it'll still be fun to make, right? Okay, so yeah, this is what we're making. We have all of our ingredients spread out. I'm gonna leave the ingredients list as well as the directions in the description box below if you guys wanna make this along with us. But we're gonna go ahead and start baking. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Next, you're going to spray a bread pan or a round cake pan with nonstick oil. Yogurt, sugar, and eggs. Everybody, do you want to see? Do you want to see? Come here. Powder. Tap, tap. Let Isaac have a turn. Let Isaac mix it. Mix it too, Isaac.
I mixed it.
It's not your
No. Like Isaac.
No, it's not. It's his turn.
No,
Can Mama
my
mix?
turn.
Hey, Mama can mix it too.
I'm gonna make this.
Okay, look, now it's mixing. Now it's Mom's turn.
What is it now? What am I making, guys? French yogurt cake. Or granny cake. Oh, so we're gonna eat it?
Well, we gotta cook it first.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, then we're gonna eat it.
Yeah. You think it would be yummy?
Yeah, I do. Me too.
Yeah, it does have yogurt. Yum, 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 yum. Delicioso.
Yeah.
Delicioso.
Yeah, that means
Okay, now you gotta sit down on your footing.
that means sandía. And it means gum.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Put it in this pan. Alright guys, that'll be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one. Bye.